Let's talk about the structure of prokaryote and eukaryote cells. Eukaryotic means possessing a true nucleus. Prokaryotic means pro means before and eu means true or good. So prokaryotic means before a nucleus. The cells of prokaryotes and eukaryotes possess two basic features: a plasma membrane, also called a cell membrane, and cytoplasm. However, the cells of prokaryotes are simpler than those of eukaryotes. For example, prokaryotic cells lack a nucleus, while eukaryotic cells have a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells lack internal cellular bodies, organelles, while eukaryotic cells possess them. Examples of prokaryotes are bacteria and archaea. Examples of eukaryotes are parasites, fungi, plants, and animals, except prokaryotes. All prokaryote and eukaryote cells have plasma membranes. The plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane, is the outermost of cell surface, which separates the cell from the external environment. The plasma membrane is composed primarily of proteins and lipids, especially phospholipins. The lipids occur in two layers. Proteins embedded in the bilayer appear to float to the lipids, so the membrane is constantly in flux. The membrane is therefore referred to as fluid mosaic structure. Within the fluid mosaic structure, proteins carry out most of the membrane's functions. All prokaryote and eukaryote cells also have cytoplasm or cytosol, a semi-liquid substance that composes the volume of a cell. Essentially, cytoplasm is the gel-like material enclosed by the plasma membrane. Within the cytoplasm of eukaryote cells are a number of membrane-bound bodies called organelles, little organs, that provide a specialized function within the cell. One example of an organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a series of membranes extending throughout the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. In some places, the endoplasmic reticulum studded with submicroscopic bodies called ribosomes. This type of endoplasmic reticulum called Roth ER. In other places, there are no ribosomes. This type of endoplasmic reticulum called smooth ER. Another organelle is the Golgi apparatus, also called Golgi body. The Golgi apparatus is a series of flattened sacs, usually curled at the edges. In the Golgi body, the cell proteins and lipids are processed and packaged before being sent to their final destination. To accomplish this function, the outermost sac of the Golgi body often bulges and breaks away to form drop-like vesicles known as secretory vesicles. An organelle called lysosome is derived from the Golgi body. It is a drop-like sac of enzymes in the cytoplasm. These enzymes are used for digestion within the cell. They break down particles of food taken into the cell and make the products available for use. They also help break down old cell organelles. Enzymes are also contained in a cytoplasmic body called the peroxisome. The organelle that releases quantities of energy to form adenosine triphosphate is the mitochondrion. Because mitochondria are involved in energy release of photosynthesis using chloroplast, energy from the sun is absorbed and transformed into the energy as carbohydrate molecules. Plant cells specialized for photosynthesis contain large numbers of chloroplasts, which are green because the chlorophyll pigments within the chloroplast are green. Leaves of a plant contain numerous chloroplasts. Plant cells not specializing in photosynthesis. Example, root cells are not green. An organelle found in mature plant cells is a large fluid-filled central vacuole. The vacuole may occupy more than 75% of the plant cell. In the vacuole, the plant stores nutrients as well as toxic waste. Pressure within the growing vacuole may cause the cell to swell. The cytoskeleton is an interconnected system of fibers, threads, and interwoven molecules that give structure to the cell. The main components of the cytoskeleton are microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. All are assembled from subunits of protein. The centriole organelle is a cylinder-like structure that occurs in pairs. Centrioles function in cell division. Many cells have specialized cytoskeletal structure called flagella and cilia. Flagella are long, hair-like organelles that descend from the cell, permitting it to move. In prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria, the flagella rotate like the propeller of a motorboat. In eukaryotic cells, such as certain protozoa and sperm cells, that flagella whip about and propel the cell. Cilia are shorter and more numerous flagella. In moving cells, the cilia wave in unison and move cell forward. Paramecium is a well-known ciliated protozoan. Cilia are also found on the surface of several types of cells, such as those that line the human respiratory tract. Prokaryotic cells lack a nucleus. The word prokaryotic means primitive nucleus. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, have a distinct nucleus. The nucleus of eukaryotic cells is composed primarily of protein and deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. The DNA is tightly wound around a special protein called histone. The mixtures of DNA and histone proteins is called chromatin. The chromatin is folded even further into distinct thread called chromosomes. Functional segments of the chromosomes are referred to as genes. The nuclear envelope, an outer membrane, surrounds the nucleus of eukaryotic cell. The nuclear envelope is a double membrane consisting of two lipid layers, similar to the plasma membrane. Pores in the nuclear envelope allow the internal nuclear environment to communicate with the external nuclear environment. Within the nucleus are two or more dense organelles referred to as nucleoli. The singular form in nucleolus. In nucleoli, some microscopic particles known as ribosomes are assembled before their passage out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. Although prokaryotic cells have no nucleus, they do have DNA. The DNA exists freely in the cytoplasm as a closed loop. It has no protein to support it and no membrane covering it. A bacterium typically has a single loop chromosome. Many kinds of prokaryotic and eukaryotes contain a structure outside the cell membrane, called the cell wall. With only a few exceptions, all prokaryotes have thick, rigid cell walls that give them their space, that give them their shape. Among the eukaryotes, some protists and all fungi and plants have cell walls. Cell walls are not identical in these organisms. However, in fungi, the cell wall contains a polysaccharide called chitin. Plant cells, in contrast, have no chitin. Their cell walls are composed exclusively of the polysaccharide cellulose. Cell walls provide support and help cells resist mechanical pressures, but they are not solid, so materials are able to pass through rather easily. Cell walls are not selective devices as a plasma membrane ice. We talk about the structure of prokaryotic and eukaryote cells. Eukaryotic cells, eukaryotic means charot.